Welcome again to What a Time to Be Alive. It goes without saying that one of the largest industries worldwide is real estate. The competition is fierce because there are businesses all over the country. The best of the best are constantly being sought after by real estate companies, from qualified agents to listing and customer. They get bigger the better they perform. Yeah, and that's why we bring to you in today's video the top largest real estate companies in the USA. Let's start by number 11. Electronic Realty Associates. Founded in 1972, Electronic Realty Associates, or ERA, is another of the strongest real estate companies. Though not as big, they pack a punch. ERA belongs to Realogy, a company that works with groups like Coldwell and Century 21. Between marketing strategies offered to consumers and technology adopted in their system, ERA has lots to offer. It's safe to say they'll keep going up. Number 10. Sotheby's International Realty. Sotheby's International Realty was founded in 1976 and has a reputation for being one of the most international companies on the market today. The brokerage company also owns the iconic auction house. With 1,000 offices in 70 countries, it's hard to beat this strong contender. This company operates with lots of luxury properties that exist around the world. Sotheby's boasts billions of dollars in sales, making them a powerful contender. Number 9. Exit Realty. Next up is Exit Realty. This real estate company was founded in 1996 by Steve Morris. Steve Morris is a former RE/MAX employee and ensured his company followed the same 70/30 policy as the Keller Williams Company. Exit Realty hasn't been around as long as most other companies, but it has strong ambitions for the future. It'll be exciting to see how it continues to develop in the future. Number 8. Compass. Compass is a real estate company that came into existence in 2012, launched by Robert Reffkin and Ori Alone. It's smaller than the other companies here but has the most potential. To this day, Compass has about 17,000 realtors on its side. Its technology is one of the strongest on the market, attracting new customers every day. Compass has made about $100 billion in sales by focusing on the consumer rather than the seller. They're a growing force to watch in the years to come, especially as technology advances in the future. Number 7. Express Realty. Next, we have Express Realty. In terms of physical land space, Express is one of the biggest in the United States. It's not as well recognized, but its sales and customer satisfaction speak for themselves. They have a team heavily committed to the success of the company. Express Realty has 40,000 agents in the United States, and they operate in 8 countries, including the US. There's a lot to love here, and they'll continue to grow in the real estate world. Number 6. Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Warren Buffett owns the next real estate brokerage, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. It came into existence relatively recently when compared to other companies, but it has made its mark in a short period like no other. It's safe to say the success is due to the size. Berkshire Hathaway has 90 businesses inside its overarching reach. It has a solid team of real estate agents and will continue to grow as time passes. Number 5. Weichert Realtors. Weichert Realtors was founded in 1969 and has grown into one of the largest real estate companies in the USA, with over 10,000 agents. Like other successful companies, Weichert prioritizes training new agents so that they can offer clients incredible service. Weichert also boasts an end-to-end solution for buyers, meaning that they can help you search for a house, secure a mortgage, and close the deal. Number 4. Keller Williams Realty. Keller Williams is the biggest real estate company in the United States. They boast the most agents in the world, working hard every day to make buying and selling homes an excellent one. They were founded in 1983 and have shot up in business in less than 50 years. One reason for their success is thanks to their 70/30 model, 70% for agents, 30% for the brokerage. If you're looking for a solid agent, you'll have no trouble finding one with Keller Williams. They operate favorably to everyone at work, which is ideal for the client. This system has led to an excellent expansion for the company over time. Although Keller Williams is relatively new, they're quickly growing with each day that passes. It'll be exciting to watch them and see how the company grows next in this competitive industry. Number 3. RE/MAX. RE/MAX is another leader in the real estate world. They came to be in 1973, so RE/MAX is a little younger than both Century 21 and Coldwell Banker. Still, they have an almost 50-year track record that reveals them as one of the best on the market today. This real estate company has 7,000 offices in over 90 countries. They also boast about 100,000 agents that work with clients around the world. The biggest claim to fame for RE/MAX is that they sell more than their competitors, setting in a financial advantage compared to other real estate companies. Number 2. Century 21. Century 21 was founded in 1971, working to stay modern even 50 years ago. It's well known as an industry leader. Those at Century 21 work to make it one of the most advanced and cutting-edge real estate companies on the market, even as the world continues to advance. Century 21 has 7,000 offices in 74 countries. Their website is one of the best around, thanks to a focus on keeping technology modern. If you utilize Century 21, you have access to 100,000 agents on your side who are ready and willing to help. Number 1. Coldwell Banker Real Estate. The largest real estate company in the USA is Coldwell Banker. Founded in 1906, Coldwell Banker has over 100 years of experience buying and selling homes that they share with the people they work for. It has a total of 3,000 offices and even exists in more than 49 countries. That's an impressive number for any company to display. Whether you're looking for luxury or attempting to find something internationally, Coldwell Banker can help. They have brokerage offices in every single state in the United States, so you're covered no matter what state you reside in. So that was all in our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.